Hi, my name is Dr. Mary Love Tagert.
My name is Kaitlyn Gordon, and we work in the Department of Agricultural and Biological Engineering at Mississippi State University. Today, we're going to show you how to create a biomass bag. Bio is a prefix that means of living things, and biomass is made of renewable organic material that comes from plants and animals. You will need Ziploc bags, once living items like grass, leftover lettuce, fruit, cornmeal, etc. You will need yeast, sugar, and water, a tablespoon, and if you don't have a tablespoon, you can use 3 teaspoons, an index card, and something to write with, and a ruler. You can experiment with different sources of plant sugar or different feedstocks, but biomass with a starchy or fibrous composition will take longer to break down or ferment. Label your bag with the date and type of biomass you will place inside the bag. Place the biomass into your plastic bag and fill about 1/3 of the bag. Then place about 1 teaspoon of powdered yeast into your bag and about 1 tablespoon of warm water. Now get as much air out of the bag as possible before sealing it. After it is sealed, gently mash the mixture together to make sure it is all combined, but be careful to not tear a hole in your bag. Next, place your bag in a warm place, like a windowsill. Check it and note any changes that occur. Your biomass bag should begin to expand as fermentation occurs and the biomass mixture breaks down to create ethanol and carbon dioxide. Students can measure the fermentation rate by holding a ruler perpendicular to the bag and index card and recording the height of the bag. Older students could use an ethanol probe or breathalyzer to measure and compare ethanol production between bags. First, insert the plastic tube into the corner of the bag and be careful to open the bag only enough to insert the tube. Use the syringe to draw out as much of the air in the bag as possible. Remove the tube and place a finger over the end of the tube to hold the air inside the syringe and tube. With your finger on the tube, power on the breathalyzer and allow it to warm up. As it is warming up, connect the tube to the breathalyzer, and when it is ready, push a steady flow of air from the syringe through the breathalyzer. Bags containing biomass with high sugar content should be checked more often, like every 10 to 15 minutes, and may need to be opened to release the gas and prevent the bag from popping, while bags with cellulose-based biomass may not need to be checked as frequently.